Hello all, welcome to this course. So we'll talk about basic of API. Okay, what is an API? Okay, why API is required? Okay, and how API work internally. So we'll discuss all these basic concept. Okay, let's start with the basic API. What is an API? So API stands for Application Program Interface that allows two applications to talk to each other. Means basically API will work as an interface which will help you to talk with two different applications. Why we need that? Okay, why we need that? Because no company will give the direct access to their database. We'll discuss this in details in subsequent lecture. So let's understand with this basic example. So suppose you are as a user, okay, a person going to a restaurant, okay. So directly you will not go to the kitchen, okay. So for understanding purpose, let just understand this user is nothing but customer, kitchen is nothing but server, and web waiter is nothing but API, okay. So user will go to the restaurant, they will place the order via waiter, okay. So waiter will note all the order, all the request, whatever you want, okay. Then it will go to the server, or you can say that kitchen, okay. It will fetch the details based on your availability, whatever will be available, it will fetch the details. Then it will bring back your stuff, right, or you can say that response to you. So here what is the role of this waiter is nothing but API, because API is mediator between customer and the server, okay. So whatever he is requesting via API, he is going sending the request via API or via waiter to the kitchen. He is bringing those stuff and giving the response to the user, okay. So API is mainly, if you'll see now definition, allows two applications to talk to each other. So here as a user I have given. Now let's see how it will be two application with this example, okay. So now in this case, suppose I am accessing a web portal called make my trip, okay, using my mobile device or desktop device, okay. Now I need to search Indigo flight. So make my trip is another company and Indigo is another company. So Indigo will not give their direct DB access to make my trip. So for that, make my trip will be requesting all those details like which date they want flight via API, and then based on the details, okay, send to the Indigo, they will send out the response to the client. So client is something which is requesting to the server, and server is something which is serving to the customer, okay. So suppose now using mobile app or a web portal, I'm requesting some detail from the server or make my trip. So now make my trip, what they will do, they will trigger one API which will be having the user details, like what details they want, like which flight they're looking for, and the detail will go to the respective server or the respective company server, or you can say the third party server, that is Indigo, and detail will be fetched via API, and then we will get in the response, and user will see, okay, this is the flight which is available. So API will play very important role in in our this technology, right. So now let's summarize this. So API basically works as a mediator between two application, nothing else, okay. So that's all about the basic stuff. We'll see further with the example, okay, with real-time example. So see you in the next and see the real-time example and explore more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.